So how many are for a beach color?
All right, let's head on into the MSC shop. Looks like right out of the gate they've got some MSC hats. It's a little different design, and they do have some of the Formula One Lego racers. I'm seeing this one down here. Wow, $244.90 is the price on that one. Not sure how many pieces that is, but that is the Ferrari SF24. But let's pop on in. We'll take you around the perimeter and show you what the shop looks like. Oh, we're seeing a familiar face over there in the background, looking at some t-shirts. But over here they do seem to have a lot of Lego options. I'm seeing Harry Potter Ninja. This one's $64. I'm seeing $34 for Dobby there. 60 bucks for the Flower Boutique. And they've got a little touch screen over here. Maybe you can do some pricing. I know everybody likes to see the prices, so I'll do the best I can. Looks like the polo t-shirts are going to be $23. They've got some other, I think these are kids sizes right here. I think they're like $17.50 is going to be that. Cruising. Interesting. I only have one MSC t-shirt, so I might be interested in getting another one myself. These are in $17.50. They've got a special promotion. I think these tie-dye looking ones back here are 50% off right there. So that might be a $8 or $9 t-shirt. Can't beat that. Over here we've got some spring jackets, little sweater vests, maybe something like that. Got some cotton t-shirts. They've really expanded the t-shirt selection.
Yeah.
I'm seeing Bahama, MSC, Flamingo. Interesting. Different themes. Here's going to be the model ships. So if you want to get one of those Grandiosa, those are in the $65.50 range. However, if you get in some of the contests, they do give out some of these model ships. Pretty cool. Oh goodness, I think these are my exact swim shoes, but they're MSC style. We're pretty close anyway. Looks like about 12 or oh no, what do they have on this? Oh, it's a bag set with shoes, 75 bucks. Okay, that must be the whole set, snorkel gear and everything else. All right, there we go. I'm seeing some hats over here, $18 range. And then Becky has one of these white zip-up sweatshirts already. I think she's going to end up finding a t-shirt. That's what I think. If you want to get some magnets, they've got them over here. These are in the $5.50 price range. I'm seeing Jamaica, the MSC boats. Over here they got Uno Junior. You want to get a pack of cards, like $10 range. Right over there, here are these sweatshirts, $32. These are really kind of nice when you're getting in and off the ship if it's cold. Some of the hats, $13.90. The Formula One hat is $29.90. So if you want the racing hat, that's going to be a little bit more pricey than the other ones. Oh, they've got the captain's hats over here, $19.50. We see some of those out there. They've got a little $20 play set. Oh, they have some dolls this time. MSC Captain's Doll. Interesting. I think the MSC did hire a female captain. That's like one of the first ones at sea. So that's very cool. They did a doll to commemorate her. That's very nice. Over here they got some of the Do-Re-Mi plushies. You'll see this is their mascot. I think it's like the solar array or something. Never quite understood the Do-Re-Mi mascot, but it's growing on me over time. And then over here it looks like we have some fragrances. So they do have some specific fragrances. Is this chocolate? It is. This is a extra fine milk chocolate, $13.90. That's a good sized chocolate bar for a last minute Christmas item. That's pretty cool. Oh, they got the bears over here, the plushie bears. I know some people back home. I don't know that I have room in my suitcase, but that's kind of cool. I haven't seen the bear walking around as a mascot, but that might be nice. Oh, all right, if you got the Jeep and you like to do the ducks, they've got a few ducks right here. Looks like in the $4.50 range in this area. They've got MSC ducks, Becky.
Huh?
Quack quack, and you can duck someone's Jeep if you wanted to do that. They've got them. MSC pencils, pens. They've really expanded their selection. I gotta say, a lot more than we've seen.
Sewing pen.
This is a massive pen. I don't know that that's super comfortable in the hand at that size, but there it is if you want to get that. What is this? Mints. We have MSC mints now. Wow. Yeah, that's what I mean. That's a big pen. If you need
it's got the multicolor.
multicolor and really good size. I'm seeing some EA7 swag over here. It does have some MSC. They've got the little sand kits. Oh, these are 75% off. So if you want to get the sand kit for the kids, check that out when the store's open. That one's 75% off. That's a good little buy. Right there, lots of keychains. I'm seeing this is a foldable handbag hook. Look at that. Shiny. It says MSC on it. Wow.
Interesting.
They've got the little ships here. Keychains, phone rings. Oh, this is an MSC phone ring. They've expanded quite a deal. What are these, necklaces, or do they hold your card too? They're card holders.
Yeah.
And they got a little medallion there for MSC. I think those are $14.90. So those are the fancy ones, are in the $14.90 range. These bags are 15 bucks. These little bitty bags are $4.50, and they've got some luggage belts if you want to lock up the luggage right there. Really, they have an inflatable cruise ship. Look at this. They've got one Anchors Away $10 inflatable cruise ship. Interesting. Go in the pool with an inflatable MSC boat. All right. Other than that, I'm seeing a few Hot Wheels items. They do have some other plushies. We have an MSC octopus now. Whales. Oh, they got the bigger ducks. That's a blue duck. Looking for that one. $5.90 in that range right there. All right. Well, all in all, I've seen quite a bit. Oh, they do have a few other little shot glasses. I walk right past here over here, but let's see what they are. The ship model is $19. Not sure on the pricing on these, but if you want a little mini glass Cayman Islands or Pirates or that sort of thing, they do have them right over there. All right, all in all, I gotta say, nice little MSC store. It's not super huge, but they have jammed the items in this one.
Yeah.
We're seeing a lot more items than we saw, and the pricing is all available. So if you want to get you a t-shirt or a hat or anything, then you can totally do that right here. I think we'll shop around. I may get a t-shirt as well, but thanks for joining us for this one, and we'll see you soon on the next video. I'm on cruise control, and we'll see you next time.